Once upon a time, there was a very important program going on at the library.
Hello, children. Welcome to story time. How are you guys today?
I'm good. My toe hurts.
Okay. Well, we're going to read a story today called Little Bo Peep. Little Bo Peep has lost her sheep and can't tell where to find them.
I've seen a sheep before.
Leave them alone and they'll come home, wagging their tails behind them.
Miss Sarah, my dog has a tail.
Very good. What other animal has a tail?
Ooh, a crab? A unicorn.
One of those is kind of right.
I saw a unicorn once, but it didn't have a horn, so it might have just been a horse.
I'm gonna guess that you saw a horse, but have you ever seen a dog with glasses?
Oh my goodness, this is the best story time ever. Hello, children. My name is Halbert. How are you today? I'm good. My toe hurts. Halbert, do you have a tail? The children talked to Halbert for a while, and then continued their story time.
All right, kids, we have time for one more story. This story is called Old MacDonald Had a Farm. Old MacDonald had a farm,
E-I-E-I-O.
and on that farm he had a sheep,
E-I-E-I-O.
with a baa-baa here and a baa-baa there, here a baa, there a baa, everywhere a baa-baa. Old MacDonald had a farm.
Hey, Miss Sarah, I've seen a sheep before.
E-I-E-I-O.